In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find Steam save files on PC. By the end, you'll know exactly where to locate your game's save data using common Windows folders and the Steam client, so you can access or back it up confidently. First, open File Explorer. You'll use it to browse the most common save locations on a Windows PC. Now check the Documents folder. Open Documents, then open My Games. Many titles store saves here in a folder named after the game or the studio. Open the Games folder you see on screen, then look for subfolders named Save, Saves, Saved, Config, or Profile. If you spot files that update when you play, you're in the right place. You're just viewing files here, so nothing will change unless you edit or delete them. Next, go to c:\users\yourname\appdata/local. App data is a normal Windows folder that some games use for save data. Don't worry if you don't immediately see app data. On some systems, it's hidden by default. Once you're in Locale, look for a folder with the game or publisher's name. Open it, then check for folders called Save, Config, or Profile, and any files with recent modified dates that match your play sessions. Now, check c:\users\yourname\appdata/roaming. Just like local, roaming is another place where games can keep settings and saves. Open roaming, find the game or studio folder, and then open Save, Config, or Profile folders inside. If you're unsure, glance at the Modified Date column to confirm which files are active. Next, open your Steam folder and go to Steam/userdata/your-Steam-ID. This is where many Steam games store per-user data. Inside user data, you'll see one or more folders named with long numbers. Those numbers are Steam IDs. Open the folder that corresponds to your account, then browse the numbered game folders inside. Within a game's folder, you'll usually find a subfolder with the save files or configuration data. Again, you're only browsing. No changes are made unless you move or delete files, so it's safe to look around. At this point, if you didn't find what you need in those common locations, you can locate saves from the game's installation folder through Steam. Open the Steam client and go to your library. Right-click the game, point to Manage, and click Browse Local Files. This opens the game's install directory in File Explorer. From here, look for folders named Save, Saves, Config, or Profile. These might be in the root of the game folder or inside subfolders with names like Data, User, or Settings. Open each relevant folder and confirm the save files by checking their modified dates as you save in-game. If you see files changing after you save in the game, you've found the correct save location. If you're comparing multiple locations, take your time and confirm by watching timestamps update after a quick in-game save. This is a reliable way to verify you're looking at the active save files without risking any data. Avoid deleting or moving files unless you have a backup and know exactly what they do. To recap what you're seeing on screen, first you opened File Explorer and checked Documents. /My Games. Then you checked c:\users\yourname\appdata/local, followed by c:\users\yourname\appdata/roaming. After that, you checked Steam/userdata/your-Steam-ID. Finally, you opened the game's install folder through Steam using Library, right-click, Manage, and browse local files, and looked for Save, Config, or Profile folders there. These are the standard places where Steam save files are stored on a PC. That's it. You've successfully found where Steam save files are located on your PC, and you can return to these folders anytime you need to access or back up your game progress. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.